The much-awaited market debut of Jio Financial Services was expected to be announced at Reliance Industries Annual General Meeting or AGM on August 28. But the listing surprised investors a week earlier on Monday, August 21, and was rather dismal with the stock freezing at the 5% lower circuit. Analysts said the company's market debut was tempered as it currently lacks fundamental drivers. Given this, Sonam Srivastava of Right Research expects Chairman Mukesh Ambani to use the 46th AGM next week to lay down growth and expansion plans for the newborn financial services business. She believes the primary focal point for this year's RIL AGM is Jio Financial Services, as investors are eager to understand its future trajectory. After the entity announced foray into the $540 billion Indian mutual fund industry with BlackRock, stakeholders are keen to hear Ambani's growth strategy for this vertical. Jio Financial has identified core areas across consumer and merchant lending, payment platforms, and insurance broking, but has not laid out any business plans so far. That said, RIL's highly anticipated AGM traditionally sees major announcements from the Ambani Group every year. Some of these over the last years have included stake sale plans in the telecom and retail arm, Reliance Jio's tie-up with Google, and the launch of 5G services, among others. This time around too, analysts say that developments around the Jio 5G phone, the green energy space, the listing plans of the retail and telecom verticals are likely.
This time around, Jio 5G phone launch along with its pricing, I think will be something to look forward to. Also, we could have announcements on 5G plans as well as air fiber 5G hotspot device availability and pricing. This was announced last year. Green energy will be another discussion point with the group upping its investment to about 1.5 trillion rupees. We may also have insights into possible demerger of retail and the telecom verticals.
At the bourses, the stock has underperformed the market so far this year with a mere 1% gain as compared to a 7% up move in the Sensex index. Technical charts suggest the stock is currently stuck in a narrow range.
Since late July, Reliance is seen trapped between its 50-day moving average and the 200 DMA, indicating a trading band of Rs 2580 to Rs 2480. The bias is likely to remain positive as long as the stock holds the 200 DMA support. For a fresh rally to emerge, the stock needs to conquer the resistance at Rs 2650.
Thus, the expected announcements, if delivered at the AGM, can break the stock from its consolidation phase. Today, on August 22, the market trend will be dedicated by global cues, foreign flows, and prices of key commodities such as crude oil.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
He's moving from employee to employer. Business Standard.